figured it out. Okay, so we're going to do the challenge question live as a game show today. Okay, so you're answering the question as crews. I'm going to be going around the horn, and we're going to figure out everything we need to know about rough electrical. Here we go. First question today for the red crew. What is the official name for this beautiful stuff?
Romex.
Excellent. That was way too easy. Next question, bonus question. How many wires?
Three.
Double bonus. Okay, 2 points. Blue crew, what colors are the wires inside of our Romex insulation?
Black, white, and
Black, white, and
just is it just like copper?
just copper.
Yeah.
Bonus question. Which color is carrying the hot wire, the load wire,
Black.
the electricity?
Black.
Is he right?
Yeah.
Kinda, sorta. You are correct.
Yeah.
All right, orange crew.
Yeah.
If I need to wire this to a receptacle, what do I have to do with the Romex?
Cut it off.
Cut what off?
The white casing.
Excellent. Casing. Did you guys know what he was talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah. Casing, aka the insulation that protects it, right? So this outside coating is the insulation coating. Oh, by the way, bonus question. We have white, and what other color have we used?
Yellow.
Yellow. Excellent. What's important? And we're out.